Hi, I'm Nikhil Gautam with my team members Nasir Jamal and Mohammad Ahmad. Now, I am going to present a final year project under the supervision of Mrs. Priyanka Gupta, and group ID is 65, and my project title is Classification of Arrhythmia using ECG signals using machine learning. The main objective of this project is to distinguish between the presence and absence of the cardiac arrhythmia and classify it in one of the 16th group. Now, overview. What is arrhythmia? Cardiac arrhythmia is a form of irregularity in heart rhythms and in some cases results in heart diseases. It is a type of diseases that disturbs the smooth rhythm of heart's electrical system. So it causes the heart to beat either too slow or too fast, to race and to skip beats. It causes non-sequential movement of heart signals. Now, how it is identified? It's identified that generally arrhythmia is identified and analyzed from an ECG electrocardiogram recording. It is majorly divided into two parts, that is bradycardia and tachycardia. Bradycardia causes the heart to beat too slow, that is less than 60 beats per minute, and tachycardia makes the heart beat faster, which could go up to 100 bpm beats per minute. Now, the contribution of the project purpose of diagnostic system built using machine learning. The data is reduced using principal component analysis PCA, and kernelized support vector machine SVM is used for training or model. The data set, we have taken the data set from UCI machine learning repository, consists of 452 different training samples. The 279 columns include the age, the sex, the height, and the weight of the person, as well as workable information. Now, proposed work. In this work, we are putting the data of in this model, handling missing values, and repository data analysis handles outliers, data visualization, and data modeling. Use the algorithm of modeling using KNN, logistic regression, decision tree classifier, SVM, random forest classifier. Data preprocessing. The data preprocessing is that the first step is data cleaning. We observe that out of 279 attributes, 5 of them contained missing values. Upon digging the data further, we found that an attribute contained almost 350 missing values. Now, we dropped that column and imputed the other columns containing missing data using their mean values. So, it is replaced the column names with appropriate name to make the data more understandable. So, finally, we separate the target attribute from the future of our data. Now, exploratory data analysis. Out of 452 samples and 245 were of classes, one which is for normal people, Also, atrioventricular block arrhythmia is not available in the dataset. So the samples of classes 7 and 8 are also very few, making our dataset highly balanced. Now, exploratory data analysis in the graph. To find the outliers, we visualize the pairwise distribution of a few features and handle those outliers using box plots. Then perform future scaling and split our data set using 80% as a training data and 20% as a testing data set. And this figure is denoted percentage distribution of the counts using a pie chart. This is the pie chart. Now data modeling. The data is modeled using various algorithms: K nearest neighbors, KNN, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, support vector machine SVM. Now we are here to implementation and result analysis. Before performing principles component analysis, when trained over original data, kernelized SVM proved to be the best among other classifiers in terms of recall value with an accuracy percentage of 8.84.12%. Also, logistic regression showed better training accuracy. Now, after performing principal components analysis, no improvement in Cannon results. Random forest 2 did not yield better results. So, however, we obtained improvised result from kernelized SVM model with an accuracy of 92%. Before performing principal component analysis, these are the different types of algorithms: KNN classifier, logistic regression, decision tree, linear SVM, kernelized SVM, random forest classifier, and training accuracy and test accuracy. These 64, 93, 78, and after performing principal component analysis, KNN classifier, logistic regression, decision tree classifier, linear SVM, kernelized SVM, random forest classifier, KNN classifier with PCA, logistic regression with PCA, linear SVM with PCA, kernelized SVM with PCA, decision tree classifier with PCA, random forest classifier with PCA. Now, visualization of final results. These graphs show in the figure different types of algorithms are applied. Now, conclusion. This study proposes a method for classification of arrhythmia using ECG data by implementing various machine learning techniques. After cleaning and pre-processing, the data is modeled using multiple machine learning algorithms. To improve the accuracy of model, principal component analysis (PCA) is performed over the data to reduce its dimensions, so that the results show that kernelized SVM performed other classifiers. The model predicts the absence or presence of cardiac arrhythmia and classifies it into two of the 16th group classes with an accuracy of 92%. Our results suggest that kernelized SVM model can be used to diagnose cardiovascular disease like arrhythmia in hospitals. Thank you. रिकॉर्डिंग वो कैसे होती है, सेव कैसे होती है? पॉज तो कर ही दिया है बे। अल्ट प्लस पी पॉज होता है, अल्ट प्लस आर स्टॉप